Hello, if you're watching this video, you're probably having a problem with your ATR-3350, and the problem probably sounds like this. So you're probably saying to yourself how to fix the problem so your audio can sound like this. But before I give you the solution, I have to give a shout out to Audio-Technica, because after I did figure out the solution, Audio-Technica did return my call back, which was within an hour's time, and did basically confirm what I had figured out what the problem was. So here's what the problem is. The problem is you're probably on your AC adapter and not on your battery. So why are you getting the humming noise with your AC adapter? Well, simply put, your AC adapter is probably plugged into a lighting circuit. And because the lighting circuit does not jive very well with audio equipment, it's probably the reason why you're getting the humming noise. So disconnect your AC adapter and try plugging in your battery and see if this rectifies the situation. Now, lastly, if you're saying that this is not a good solution, I'd like to remind you, you spent $20 on this mic, and for $20 and the quality of audio that you're currently getting, you really can't beat that. Lastly, the noise cancellation is not that great. However, again, it's a $20 mic. So I hope this rectifies your problem. Again, unplug your AC adapter and try putting in your battery and try using the mic, and hopefully your audio will sound like this. I hope the video was helpful, and happy shooting.